Building apps doesn't have to be complicated or require coding skills anymore. With tools like Glide, you can turn your data into beautiful, functional mobile apps in minutes. Glide is a no-code app builder that enables you to create fully functional mobile and web apps with ease. It's perfect for small businesses, event organizers, or anyone looking to create a simple app quickly. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through Glide, share tips to make your app stand out. Let's dive in. To start, head over to glideapps.com and sign up for a free account. Once inside the dashboard, we will be asked for a little information about where we know the Glide application and what the purpose of its application will be. For example, I will fill this field with the search engine, and its purpose is for work. After that, we will be asked how many employees we have and what our role is. For example, I will fill in between 2 and 10 employees, and my role is product management. After that, we are asked to describe what application we will create. For example, here I will create an application for storage management. Look, on the right side appears an example of our application as we describe. To continue, we need to check the approval and press this Let's Glide button. And now we are on the dashboard. If you need a more detailed usage guide, you can check out the video tutorial at the bottom of this page. Okay, now we are on our work page. In this page, we can change and customize our application according to our needs and desires. Here we are also given a glimpse of how to use it, where in the middle is the layout editor. Here we can design and see the appearance of our application. And on the left, we can organize and change the navigation and components of our application. And on the right side, we can choose the data source that we will use, change the style, and organize each element. And on the top side is a feature to display the data page and layout of our application. Now let's try to change the appearance of our task page. We just need to select the style that has been provided here. Choose the style that suits the data that will be displayed. Here we can also choose which database we will use on this page. We can also change the feature icon in our app by clicking on the following label drop-down menu. Select the appropriate icon below it. There's a toggle on the action. If activated, then the user will have the authority to add items, edit items, or delete items. In the data item, we can set what data is displayed. The data we choose is taken from the database we use for our application. Then if we click Edit this collection, a feature will appear to change the size and style of the data displayed. We can also set the number of data ranges displayed. In the Options section here, we can apply the conditions of our display visibility and filter the data that will be displayed. We are now on the data page. Here we can add, delete, modify, and even integrate data with other parties. We will now try to add an action button after we select the product. The button that I will add here aims to add and reduce the stock of the product we choose. It's easy, we just need to press the plus button in this component section. Not only buttons, here you can also add title, collection, layout, and many others. Then we select the action section, and we select these 2 action buttons. To be able to set the function and appearance of this button, we go to the right here. Here we can change the style and fitment of our button. Customize it according to your needs. Now we set the function of the button. We change the text to add. Then we add a plus icon to represent it. Then, if this button is pressed, it will increment the number in the stock column by +1. And vice versa for the other button. We change it in such a way that the button functions as we want. Now, let's test it out. Perfect. Works the way we expect. Here are the results of the application that I made. I skipped the creation process because it will definitely take a long time to do small details. This is more or less how it looks. On the item page, it displays various types of items, descriptions, quantities, and prices. Then if we press the product, it will display the product details, buttons to edit the product, as well as buttons to increase and decrease the stock. Then if we press the user button below, Then we will be taken to the user page, where all registered users will be displayed here. Then if we press the task button on the left, we will be taken to the task page. This page is to find out what tasks have been done by users. For the database, we have 3 tables: the task table, the item table, and the users table. And this is the appearance and contents of the database that we use for our application. If you think it's ready to use, we can press the Publish button in the top right corner. Here we can customize the link of our application. This link is used to access our application through the website. After we press Publish, then we will get a barcode of our application. This is to install the application through our cell phone. Here we can also see who has access to our application, as well as can provide access through the invitation link. If we press this link, then we will be directed to our application. Keep in mind, to be able to access this application, we need to have access rights. And this is how our application looks when accessed through the website. I suggest you to start with Glide's templates to save time and learn best practices, and to optimize your data by keep your spreadsheet clean and avoid duplicate entries to ensure smooth performance. And you need to test regularly by preview your app frequently to catch errors before publishing. Not only can be accessed through the website, we can also install the applications into our cell phones in the following way. First, scan the barcode provided by Glide when we publish our application with our cell phone camera. Then tap the following link that appear when we scan the barcode. After directed to the website, here we have the option to use it directly from the mobile website or install the application into our cell phone by pressing the Share button. After we press the Share button, we scroll down and select the Add it to our home screen option. After that, we can also give our app a name. Press the Add button on the top right corner. And congratulations! Your application has been successfully installed on your phone. Remember, don't forget to give access or use an email that already has access to our application to be able to use it. Glide offers several advantages as a no-code app builder, making it a popular choice for quickly creating mobile apps. As the ease of use, Glide's user-friendly interface allows anyone to build apps without coding knowledge. It can also use Google Sheets or Excel as the backend, making it intuitive for users familiar with spreadsheets. With Google Sheets as its foundation, Glide apps can handle a significant amount of data for small to medium use cases. As the speed and efficiency, apps can be created and deployed within minutes, perfect for prototyping or small projects. And also instant updates to see how changes affect your app in real time. Glide also seamlessly integrates with other Google Workspace tools. Also works with Zapier for additional automation and integrations. Comparisons to other competitors, Thunkable might support native iOS and Android apps, but Glide is easier to use and ideal for progressive web apps, PWA. As Glide apps run on mobile devices and desktops without requiring App Store publishing. Adalo might offers more flexibility for custom workflows and native app development, but Glide is faster and easier for simple projects. Glide's free plan is great for personal use, but paid plans start around $69 per month, offering unlimited personal users, Google Sheets data source, features, and custom branding options. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Goodbye.